nestled amidst the breathtaking Swiss landscape. This is where the journey of a Rolex timepiece begins. Masterpiece begins as certified 18-karat white gold. Electromagnetic energy transforms solid gold into liquid precision. Purity improves before shaping begins. Precision pouring creates the future watch blank. Controlled cooling strengthens the precious metal structure. The first solid form emerges with flawless geometry. Extreme pressure removes microscopic internal porosity. Forging creates exceptional density and lasting strength. Digital precision now replaces raw industrial force. Microns disappear as the watch case takes shape. Every lug demands perfect symmetry and balance. Internal precision determines future mechanical accuracy. Signature bezel teeth demand flawless geometric consistency. Skilled hands perfect what machines intentionally leave behind. Ultrasonic cleaning removes every invisible machining residue. Ionized nitrogen removes invisible particles before gemstone installation. Every microscopic contaminant must completely disappear.
Cleanliness is verified before permanent diamond setting.
Only flawless VVS1 diamonds qualify for this masterpiece.
Every diamond is matched to its exact location. Precision drilling prepares secure gemstone foundations. Microscopic sockets determine perfect diamond alignment. Every gemstone seat must be geometrically perfect. Every diamond is positioned entirely by hand. Tiny gold prongs permanently secure priceless brilliance. Precision repeats until every position shines perfectly. Baguette diamonds demand even tighter installation tolerances. Uniform pressure locks every baguette securely forever. Uniform sparkle confirms flawless gemstone craftsmanship. Mirror polishing reveals the watch's extraordinary luxury. Diamond polishing paste reveals a flawless mirror-grade finish. Hand finishing perfects every reflective surface. Ultraviolet inspection exposes invisible alignment imperfections. Uniform brilliance confirms precise gemstone positioning. Perfect alignment prevents microscopic assembly errors. Controlled force permanently mates both precision components. Synthetic sapphire delivers exceptional scratch resistance. Every crystal edge receives micron-level finishing. Anti-reflective coatings maximize dial visibility. Optical inspection guarantees coating uniformity. The gasket creates the first waterproof barrier. Robotic placement eliminates installation deviation. Controlled pressure seals the crystal permanently. Precision measurement confirms complete sealing accuracy. The perfected case now awaits its mechanical heart. Precision begins with microscopic jewel bearings. Every bearing reduces friction for lifelong accuracy. The gear train forms the watch's mechanical transmission. Bridges stabilize every rotating component precisely. Stored spring energy powers every future second. Power now flows into the mechanical transmission. The escapement transforms stored energy into precise impulses. The balance wheel becomes the heartbeat of precision. The movement comes alive for the first time. Automatic winding keeps the movement continuously energized. The dial transforms mechanics into elegant presentation. Secure dial mounting preserves perfect alignment. Hands are aligned to absolute midnight precision. The final hand completes the watch face. The precision movement finally meets its handcrafted case. The winding stem connects external control to internal precision. The crown seals control with elegant precision. Every crown position must operate flawlessly. A lubricated gasket creates lasting water resistance. The final enclosure protects Swiss mechanical perfection. Exact torque guarantees consistent sealing pressure. Hydraulic testing simulates extreme underwater conditions. Perfect sealing leaves absolutely no leakage. Precision timing begins after waterproof certification. Tiny regulator movements dramatically improve daily accuracy. Multiple positions confirm consistent chronometric performance. Final regulation achieves exceptional mechanical precision. Luxury demands flawless perfection from every angle. Every flawless masterpiece deserves flawless protection.
The masterpiece reaches its handcrafted presentation box.
Every luxury watch includes complete certified documentation, final approval certifies uncompromising Swiss manufacturing standards. Elegant protection surrounds extraordinary craftsmanship. Protective packaging preserves perfection during transportation. Security seals protect authenticity from factory to customer. Every shipment receives complete traceability. Weight verification confirms packaging completeness. Automation guides every luxury shipment efficiently. Robotic precision protects every shipment during transport. Protective wrapping stabilizes valuable international cargo. Secure loading protects luxury through worldwide transportation. From molten gold to global luxury, true craftsmanship never leaves perfection behind.